What happens if you only eat apples for a week? Apple, the delicious and widely consumed fruit, has been associated with numerous health benefits for centuries. Packed with essential nutrients and phytochemicals, apples have proven to have a positive impact on human health. Let's explore some of the ways apples contribute to a healthy lifestyle. Nutritional profile. Apples have a rich nutritional profile, offering a range of vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. Here are some key nutrients found in apples. Fiber. Apples are an excellent source of dietary fiber. A medium-sized apple contains about 4 grams of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber, such as pectin, helps regulate digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, while insoluble fiber aids in maintaining regular bowel movements. Vitamin C. Apples provide a decent amount of vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that supports the immune system, promotes collagen synthesis, and aids in iron absorption. Consuming apples contributes to meeting your daily vitamin C requirements. Potassium. Apples contain potassium, an important mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. Potassium is also crucial for heart health and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Antioxidants. Apples are packed with various antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenol. These compounds help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Quercetin, a prominent antioxidant found in apples, has been associated with numerous health benefits. Vitamin A. Although not as high as some other fruits, apples contain a small amount of vitamin A, which is important for vision, cell growth, and immune function. B vitamins. Apples contain small amounts of various B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin B6. These vitamins are essential for energy production, brain function, and maintaining healthy skin and hair. It's worth noting that the nutritional content of an apple can vary slightly depending on the variety and size. However, regardless of the specific type, apples are generally considered a healthy and nutritious fruit that can contribute to a well-rounded diet. Heart health. Apples have been associated with promoting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Here's how apples contribute to a healthy heart. Cholesterol management. The soluble fiber, specifically pectin, found in apples helps lower LDL cholesterol levels, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Pectin binds to cholesterol in the intestines, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels, apples can help maintain a healthy cholesterol balance and reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Blood pressure regulation. Apples contain potassium, a mineral known for its role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium, promoting blood vessel dilation and relaxation. By maintaining a balance between potassium and sodium, apples contribute to healthy blood pressure levels and reduce the strain on the cardiovascular system. Antioxidant protection. The antioxidants present in apples, including flavonoids and polyphenol, offer protective effects for the heart. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the blood vessels, preventing damage to the arterial walls. By protecting against oxidative damage, apples support a healthy cardiovascular system. Arterial health. Apples contain compounds such as quercetin, which have been shown to have beneficial effects on arterial health. Quercetin helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a process that leads to the formation of plaque in the arteries. By reducing arterial plaque formation, apples contribute to maintaining healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of heart disease. Reduced risk of stroke. Consuming apples has been linked to a lower risk of stroke. Research suggests that the high content of flavonoids, particularly in apple skin, contributes to this protective effect. Flavonoids exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help maintain the health of blood vessels and reduce the risk of blood clot formation. Incorporating apples into a well-balanced diet, along with other heart-healthy foods, can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. However, it's important to note that a holistic approach to heart health should also include regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, managing stress levels, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance for maintaining a healthy heart. Blood sugar control. Apples can play a role in blood sugar control and are considered a suitable fruit for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar levels. Here's how apples contribute to blood sugar control. Low glycemic index. Apples have a relatively low glycemic index, GI, which is a measure of how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. The GI of apples varies depending on the variety and ripeness, but in general, they are considered to have a moderate GI. This means that the carbohydrates in apples are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in a gradual rise in blood sugar levels rather than a sharp spike. Fiber content. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, with a significant portion of their fiber content coming from pectin. Fiber plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. It slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, helping to prevent rapid increases in blood sugar levels after a meal. The soluble fiber in apples, particularly pectin, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system, which can further delay carbohydrate absorption and promote a more controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. Satiety and portion control. The fiber content in apples contributes to feelings of fullness and satiety. Apples can help curb hunger and prevent overeating, which is beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. By incorporating apples into meals for snacks, you may be less likely to consume excessive amounts of high glycemic foods that can lead to rapid blood sugar spikes. Antioxidant effects. The antioxidants found in apples, including flavonoids and polyphenol, have been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and reduced insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a condition in which cells become less responsive to the hormone insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. By supporting insulin sensitivity, apples may help maintain better blood sugar control. It's important to note that individual responses to foods can vary, and portion sizes should be considered when including apples in a balanced diet for blood sugar control. It's always advisable to monitor blood sugar levels, work with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, and develop a personalized meal plan to suit individual needs and dietary requirements. Weight management. Apples can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan due to several factors that promote a healthy body weight. Here's how apples contribute to weight management. Low calorie and high fiber content. Apples are relatively low in calories while being rich in dietary fiber. The fiber content, particularly soluble fiber like pectin, adds bulk to the diet and helps create a feeling of fullness, reducing the urge to overeat. By incorporating apples into meals or snacks, you can increase satiety without consuming excessive calories. Hydration and volume. Apples have a high water content, which contributes to their overall volume. Foods with high water content tend to be less energy dense while still providing a satisfying volume of food. By choosing apples as a snack or incorporating them into meals, you can help manage hunger and reduce the likelihood of excessive calorie intake. Healthy snack alternative. Apples serve as a nutritious alternative to high-calorie snacks. Instead of reaching for processed snacks or sugary treats, opting for a crunchy apple can satisfy cravings while providing essential nutrients. Apples are convenient, portable, and require no preparation, making them an excellent choice for on-the-go snacking. Natural sugar and sweetness. While apples contain natural sugars, they also provide fiber, which slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This slower release of sugar helps prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar levels and subsequent crashes, which can contribute to cravings and overeating. The natural sweetness of apples can also help satisfy sweet cravings without the need for added sugars. Nutrient density. Apples are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing essential nutrients while being relatively low in calories. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods like apples into your diet, you can ensure that your body receives the necessary nutrients for overall health while managing calorie intake. Remember, weight management involves a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management. While apples can be a valuable component of a weight management plan, it's important to focus on overall dietary patterns and make choices that align with individual needs and preferences. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Digestive health. Apples have long been recognized for their positive impact on digestive health. Here's how apples contribute to promoting a healthy digestive system. Dietary fiber. Apples are an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. The fiber content in apples adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Insoluble fiber helps add bulk to the stool, while soluble fiber, such as pectin, acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and supporting a healthy gut microbiota. Digestive regularity. The fiber content in apples supports digestive regularity by promoting the movement of food through the digestive tract. Apples' insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, while their soluble fiber absorbs water, softening the stool and facilitating its passage. This can help prevent or alleviate common digestive issues such as constipation. Gut microbiota. The soluble fiber, particularly pectin, found in apples serves as a source of nutrition for beneficial bacteria in the gut. These bacteria ferment the fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids that support the health of the intestinal cells and contribute to a balanced gut microbiota. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gut health. Hydration. Apples have a high water content, which contributes to hydration. Staying hydrated is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system, as water helps soften the stool, supports the movement of food through the digestive tract, and aids in nutrient absorption. Natural digestive enzymes. Apples contain natural enzymes such as amylase and pectinase, which assist in the breakdown of carbohydrates and pectin, respectively. These enzymes can aid in the digestion of food and contribute to overall digestive efficiency. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in apples, such as flavonoids and polyphenol, may help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and protect against oxidative damage. This can contribute to maintaining a healthy digestive system and reducing the risk of digestive disorders. It's worth noting that while apples can support digestive health, individual responses may vary. Additionally, if you have specific digestive conditions or concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and to ensure the inclusion of apples aligns with your specific needs. Antioxidant protection. Apples are a rich source of antioxidants, which play a vital role in protecting the body against oxidative stress and promoting overall health. Here's how apples contribute to antioxidant protection. Phytochemicals. Apples contain various phytochemicals, including flavonoids, polyphenol, and other antioxidants. These compounds have strong antioxidant properties and help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Quercetin. One of the prominent antioxidants found in apples is quercetin. Quercetin belongs to the flavonoid family and has been extensively studied for its beneficial effects on health. It acts as a potent antioxidant, helping to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Quercetin has been associated with various health benefits, including cardiovascular health, improved lung function, and potential anti-cancer properties. Vitamin C. Apples are a decent source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C helps protect cells from oxidative damage, boosts the immune system, and supports the production of collagen, a protein essential for healthy skin, bones, and connective tissues. Polyphenol. Apples contain a variety of polyphenol, such as catechins, procyanidins, and chlorogenic acid. These polyphenol exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to overall health and protection against chronic diseases. Some studies have linked the consumption of polyphenol-rich foods, including apples, to a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases, certain types of cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Reduction of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's antioxidant defenses. Apples, with their array of antioxidants, help reduce oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals and preventing cellular damage. This protective effect can have wide-ranging benefits for various body systems and contribute to overall well-being. It's important to note that the antioxidant content in apples can vary depending on the variety, ripeness, and storage conditions. To maximize the antioxidant benefits, it's recommended to consume fresh, whole apples and, if possible, include the skin, as it contains a significant portion of the antioxidants. Remember to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other antioxidant-rich foods to fully harness the benefits of antioxidants for your health. While apples offer numerous health benefits, it's important to note that they should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Remember, individual nutritional needs may vary, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice.